Welcome to my channel on Learn English with Jayanti. Today we are going to talk about pronouns, more about pronouns. Yesterday we touched upon the personal pronoun and also I talked about subject and object. I now move on to the other types of pronouns. One is the relative pronoun. Relative means, as the word indicates, who, whom, where, whose and whomsoever. Let's take an example. When I say relative pronoun, it is usually for an idea that is previously mentioned, or it can also be used to join two sentences. Let's see how. For example, the word who, I can use it as employees who worked hard were given a bonus. Okay? The word is who over here, which is a relative pronoun. Now, another example, only those who are vaccinated are allowed to travel. That applies to all of us also because of the pandemic. This is the shop where you can buy butter. Where is the relative pronoun? Right? This, another example, this is the place where the two rivers meet. So, similarly, you can use these other words which are whom, where, whose and whomsoever as a relative pronoun. I'm moving on to the next type of noun, which is the intensive pronoun. The intensive pronoun is himself, herself, yourself, themselves, very good, and ourselves. Excellent. Let's take an example of these intensive pronouns. He himself committed the crime, correct? Rita wrote the book herself. It is emphasizing the noun again, the noun or the pronoun in this case again, correct? These are personal pronouns. This is a proper noun. So this herself is emphasizing Rita and himself over here is emphasizing he. Let's take another example. We clean the room by ourselves. So this is another example of intensive pronoun. Now let's move to another type of noun, which is the demonstrative pronoun. In the demonstrative pronoun, it means it points towards the action or towards something. How is this possible? For example, this palace is for sale. This particular palace is for sale, not any palace. Right? So this is demonstration, pointing towards something. This is my pen, right? Say for instance, this is my pen. I'm mentioning about this particular pen. Those vegetables are fresh. Those particular vegetables are fresh. The other ones are stale. They are not so fresh. These are my pets. These animals over here. I have a kitten, a dog, and a parrot. These animals are my pets. Okay? The other example, such also is a demonstrative pronoun. Such an expensive bag. I'm pointing to a particular bag and I'm saying such an expensive bag. Oh, this dress is very fancy, and I can say such a fancy dress. I can't wear it casually. Okay? So this is what is a demonstrative pronoun. Excellent. Interrogative pronoun. Very easy. Interrogation means to question, means to ask why, to ask whom, what, which, and so on. Let's take an example. Interrogative pronoun, what is your name? Right? I'm asking you, what is your name? It makes asking questions easier. That is why it is called interrogative pronoun. Which is this bus which is going towards that village? Who is near the laboratory? Whom does this lake or pond belong to? Okay, interrogative pronoun. Easy? Excellent. Let's move to another type of pronoun, which is the reflexive pronoun. Now, the reflexive pronoun, I put it on the other side of the board. It is very simple. Say, for example, when the object and the subject are the same, and the noun that it ends in self or selves. For example, usually you have the by-object pronouns when the object and subject are the same noun. What does this mean? It's very simple. Myself, okay? My ends in the object Y, okay? I told myself to calm down. So therefore, this is a reflexive pronoun. Similarly, yourself, you yourself looked into the book and found it, which is very good. So himself, herself and ourselves also are reflexive pronouns. Now, we have the last type of pronoun, which is the indefinite pronoun. And the indefinite pronoun means when you don't want to mention anybody's name, place, animal or thing, we talk about someone was there. I do not know who. Okay? Can anybody tell me where is the market? Amongst the people who are sitting here, can anybody tell me where is the market? So therefore, someone, anybody becomes a indefinite pronoun. There are other examples of indefinite pronoun, which is nobody. Nobody saw the cat, right? All the people came running down the hill, right? So you're not pointing at anybody particular per se. Another example is every person in this room was vaccinated. Okay, so each and every person, you're not pointing at anyone in particular. Some, enough and many are also words which are examples of indefinite pronouns. Right, now after I finish all these different types of pronouns, tomorrow I'll be moving on to another part of speech, which is adjectives, propositions and verbs which help us in forming the sentences. Just a word before I'd like to finish for today. Many a times we get stuck and we keep feeling English nahi aati, English kathin hai, etc., etc. But I feel just push yourself to speak, push yourself to read, push yourself to learn, because koshish karne walon ki kabhi haar nahi hoti. Keep trying. I'm signing off today from all of you. Till then, stay safe, stay connected, and of course, keep speaking English.